I wanted to show you guys today. Hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to cut the side like this. This is my X-Acto knife, by the way. So I'm going to cut the other side like that. Now I'm going to cut in the middle. I'm going to be careful that I don't actually damage anything. So I'm just going to take it out like that and be careful not to touch the top of it, because that's where all the parts for the hard drive is, the important parts. So this is an anti-static bag which keeps the hard drive from getting damaged. So now I'm going to get my handy dandy X-Acto knife, and I'm going to cut it like so, like this. Like that, and just pull a bit of the plastic away. So now, to come to think of it, I'm going to get this green cutting mat to make the surface a bit more softer so it doesn't damage the hard drive, like that. So I'm just going to take it out of the bag and place the anti-static bag to the side for the moment. So now let's have a look at it. So that's what the back of the hard drive looks like. So you can see all the parts there, and then that green part over there is the motherboard, I think, motherboard-like. Now that's the front, whatever, side front, and then so those are the SATA cable inputs. So I think that is the motherboard, where it plugs into the motherboard. Actually, that's where it plugs into the power, and the other one is what plugs into the motherboard to make it all run like that. So now I'm just going to pick it up, and I'm just going to show you the front like so, carefully. So I'll see if you can try and see it. So yep, I'll put it just a bit closer like that. So now you can pause the video if you want to for you to read the information on there. So now I'm just going to put it down like that. So it's got a really hard surface in that, and it's pretty good quality. Yep, it's got a metal tin like that, so it's really durable, and yeah, so it's very well protective, and yep, it's got very good information. And yeah, one more thing, this anti-static bag, I'm really glad they packed it with this, because it keeps it from getting staticky and damaging the parts. So yeah, just one more quick look at it like that. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, could you please give it a like, subscribe, and comment what would you like me to do next, or if you have any other tech problems. That is me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.